Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, you will master how to use triggers in UpdatePanel to fully control when your Ajax partial updates happen. UpdatePanel triggers help you define which control should initiate a partial page update. They give you precise control over Ajax behavior. There are two types of triggers. Postback trigger causes a full postback, while async postback trigger ensures a smooth partial page update. By default, only controls inside the UpdatePanel trigger Ajax updates. External controls will not cause any updates unless you define triggers. This example shows how to use async postback trigger to link an external button to the UpdatePanel. It ensures a smooth Ajax experience. When you need full postback, like for file updates, use postback trigger. It allows server-side events that can't work via Ajax. You can combine both triggers in your web form. Use async for partial updates and postback when required for specific controls. When working with multiple nested update panels, triggers can still be defined just to make sure control IDs are unique and scoped correctly. This working example shows an external button updating the label inside an update panel using async postback trigger. The current time is fetched without a full reload. Avoid common mistakes. Always specify the correct event name. Use the right trigger type and never forget to add script manager. For clean, maintainable code, comment your trigger logic. Use async by default and only fall back to postback when necessary. To recap, triggers in UpdatePanel let you control Ajax updates perfectly. They are essential when your UI involves multiple controls and partial updates. In our next videos, we will explore Ajax Control Toolkit features like Model Pop-up Extender and show how to call web methods using JavaScript and jQuery. Thanks for joining. Like, comment and subscribe for more real-world ASP.NET tutorials.